Welcome back to my channel. Today we're getting ready for my baby's first birthday photo shoot, and I'll be doing a super cute ponytail hairstyle because I'll be featuring in the shoot, and I want to take you along the process. So without wasting any time, let's just get right into this video. First thing I love to do is to work with a clean hair. So I'll be using this damage recovery plus avocado oil protein by Trazim. I'll be using this kindly coconut shea conditioner. So I'll be using this to wash my hair and prep my hair. I like using hair dryer for my hair because it makes my hair a bit stiff. So I had to wait a little while for my hair to just dry out, part of my hair to dry out. Now that that's done, let's fix my ponytail. Part of what I'm going to be using is this expression hair. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do this. Please, if you know, like, if you have any products for damaged hair that helps restore hair or makes your hair really rich, please let me know down in the comments, because I've been struggling. I'm losing lots of hair. I'm literally losing lots of hair. Still, after giving birth, I'm still losing hair. I got this extension a while ago. I got it from Nigeria. I got it a while ago. It's I really don't know what kind of hair this is, but if I know, I will let you know. I tried looking for my scissors, I couldn't find my scissors, so that's why I'm doing this. if you have pin, you can easily just pin this to your hair, and then you can wear this hairstyle for a couple of days or a week or two before you remove this. But because I'm doing a photo shoot, I necessarily don't have to pin this. How does this hairstyle look? It's easy, it's very simple, and the processes are very, very quick. So is it something you're going to try? If you do try it, let me know. So I got a couple of clothes from Shein, and thank God it came right on time for the photo shoot. So I'll be trying a couple of those clothes in another video, plus some Shein clothes that I have. I'll be trying them in another video, so please watch out for this. So I want to pierce my nose. Oh my god. Okay, first things first, let me sterilize my hand, or let me use this for my hands. This is how it looks like. I'm piercing my nose again. I did that once when I was in Germany, and it's, I don't know, for some reason the ring pulled out. So now I'm giving it a try for the second time. Let's see if I am strong enough and bold enough to actually do this myself. Let's hope I am actually that strong. So I'm using this to help clean my nose. Where am I putting it? So I'm using everything under the surface of this earth to make sure that my nose is clean, because I can't have my nose being infected. Never. I'm going to be using the spirit as well. I'm out of it, but a little thing is coming out. So I'm going to try using this to make sure my nose is clean. I'm scared. I'm going to be using this pen to mark where I want it to be. I need to confirm this. I need to confirm this. I need to make sure that what I'm piercing is actually in the right place, because I don't want to scream when I see it. Okay, I'm back. Everything seems to be in place. Okay. How come some people do this and they say, oh, it didn't hurt? It hasn't gone through and I'm in so much pain. Okay. Did he go? Oh my god. Oh my god. So when I went to ask why the first one was falling out, so what he told me was, when I pierce my nose, I should remove this after a couple of days after it has healed, and then put like the L-shaped nose ring so that it can be steady. So, but this looks great. I don't know if it's really showing. It looks really good. So this is an aftercare treatment for piercings generally. So after like occasionally I'll be using this to clean my nose so it doesn't get infected. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe, do not forget to like, give this video a thumbs up, and turn on your notification bell so you'll get an alert every time I upload new videos. So stay safe and bye.